Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we solved question number 2 related with exercise number 1.2 related with chapter number 1 function and limits. So that question number 2 was related with exponential equation or the function. In today's video, I am not going to solve question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 because that type of questions that are in format of just like MCQs, which is solved in a single step. That's why I am not going to solve that 3 questions. In today's video, I am going to solve the most important questions of exercise number 1.6. So in today's video, I will solve question number 6. So there are total 4 parts in this question related with logarithmic equation. So let's move toward the question number 6. It tells that solve the following equation for an unknown x. So here part A tells that log of x to the base b is equal to 2 divided by 3 log of 8 to the base b is plus 1 over 2 log of 9 to the base b minus log of 6 to the base b, and that tells that find this equation for the value of x. So move towards solution. Log of x to the base b will comes down the same is equal to, after this I am going to solve this question just like this. We have a formula for the log of a power m, and power n is always equal to the n log of a power m. So here we have a power m just like this, and here n is to the front of log. So we will equalize n log a m just like log a power m power n over here. So it means that n is moved toward the power of m over here. So using the same formula, 2 over 3 will goes to the power of 8. So it becomes a log of b power 8 and power 2 by 3. After this, using the same formula over here, this 1 over 2 will goes to the power of 9. It becomes a plus log of base b power 9 and the whole power is 1 over 2. After this minus log of 6 to the base b. After this log of x to the base b will be equal to 8 can be written as just like 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 because it gives us again 8. So we can write 2 power 3 because here we have 2 comes thrice. That's why I take the power 3 over here. So it becomes log of base is b, and the power 8 can be written as 2 power 3, and here 2 by 3 will multiply with the power. After this plus log of b and 9, and the power is 1 over 2 minus log of 6 to the base b. Here this 3 will cancel out with 3 because 3 here is in multiplication and here it is in division, so they will cancel with each other according to the property. So log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of b. Here is 2 power 2, it gives us 4. After this plus log of b power is 9, and here is we can write 9 just like 3 multiply 3. So 3 multiply 3 can be written as 3 power 2 because 3 comes twice. So here 9 will be written as 3 power 2, and here is 1 over 2 will be multiplied with the 2. So minus log of 6 to the base b. After this log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of 4 to the base b plus this 2 will cancel out with 2. We are left with log of 3 to the base b minus log of 6 to the base b. Now we have another formula for the log of a power m plus log of a power n will always be equal to the log of a power mn. It means that their power will be multiplied with each other in the result. So here log of a power m plus log of a power n using the same formula, and the power will multiply with each other. So log of x to the base b will be equal to log of b will comes down the same because this is base. After this the power is multiplying the formula, so here power multiply, so 4 multiply 3 gives us 12, and here is minus log of 6 to the base b. We have another formula for the log of a power m minus log of a power n will always be equal to the log of base a and m divided by n. So here this is the base, so it will come down the same just like over here. Log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of base will come down the same, and the power will be divided by each other just like m by n. So 12 divided by 6. So after this, log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of b, and here we will comes down the power 12 divided by 6 gives us 2, so the power is 2. Now here the base on both sides is same, just like log b and log b is the base. So according to the property, when the bases are same, the power will always be equal and the same. So here the power is x and here the power is 2, so x will be equal to the 2. So the result and the solution is x is equal to 2 for the part A. Now move to part number B of question number 6 related with exercise number 1.2 FSC second year mathematics. It tells that log of x to the base b is equal to 2 by 3 log of 27 to the base b plus 2 log of 2 to the base b minus log of 3 to the base b, and find unknown value x. So move towards solution. Log of x to the base b will be equal to the, using the same formula which we used in the previous question, this 2 by 3 will goes to the power of 27 plus log of base b. 27 can be written as 3 power 3 because 3 multiplied 3 9 and 9 multiplied 3 gives us 27, and here 2 by 3 will goes to the power plus using the same formula this 2 will goes to the power of this 2. So log of base b power is 2 and this 2 will comes to the power minus log of b and the power is 3. After this, log of x to the base b will be equal to the, this 3 will cancel out with 3, we are left with log of 3 power 2 gives us 9, log of 9 to the base b plus log of 2 power 2 gives us 4, so log of 4 to the base b minus log of 3 to the base b. After this, log of x to the base b will be equal to, using the same formula, log of a power m plus log of a power n will be equal to the log of a power m and n. This is the formula. So the power will multiply with each other. So log of 9 multiply 4 gives us 36. So log of 36 to the base b minus log of 3 to the base b. Now using the another formula, log of a m by n is the power is equal to log of a power m minus log of a power n. So log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of, and the power 36 will divide it by 3, and here the base will be b. So log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of 36 by 3 gives us 12, so log of 12 to the base b. Now on the both side bases are same log b, so the power will be same and will be equal. So the power over here is x is equal to, on this side the power is 12, so the value of x will be equal to 12 for the part number b. Now move towards the part C of question number 6 related with exercise number 1.2. It tells that log of x to the base b is equal to 3 by 2 log of 4 to the base b minus 2 by 3 log of 8 to the base b plus 2 log of 2 to the base b, and solve it for the unknown value x. So move towards solution. Log of x to the base b will be equal to 3 by 2 will goes to the power of 4 according to the formula. So log of base is 4, power is 4, and here this 3 by 2 will comes to the power minus this 2 by 3 will goes to the power. So log of base is b, and here 8 is power, and this 2 by 3 will comes to the power. So plus log of this 2 will goes to the power b power 2, this 2 will goes to the power of 2. After this, log of x to the base b is equal to log of base is b, and 4 can be written as 2 power 2 power 3 by 2 minus log of b. 8 can be written as 2 power 3 power is 2 by 3 plus log of b, and 2 power 2 gives us 4. Log of x to the base b is equal to, this 2 is cancelled out with 2, so we are left with log of 2 power 3 gives us 8, so log of 8 to the base b minus 3 is cancelled out with 3, we are left with 2 power 2 gives us 4. So log of 4 to the base b plus log of b to the 4 to the base b. Using the formula, log of a power m minus log of a power n is equal to log of a power is m by n. So using the same formula, log of x to the base b is equal to log of base will comes down the same, and 8 by 4. So here m divided by n, so we are divide 8 by 4. So 8 divided by 4 plus log of 4 to the base b. So log of x to the base b will be equal to log of 8 by 4 gives us 2. So 2 to the base b plus log of 4 to the base b. So log of x to the base b will be equal to the log of 2 by 2 to the base b log of 4 to the base b. Here a power m plus a power m formula will use a power m plus log of a power n, which is equal to log of a power is m multiply n. So 2 will multiply with 4, so log of 2 multiply 4 gives us 8. So log of 8 to the base b, base on the both sides are same, so power must be same, so the value of x will be equal to the 8. So the solution is x is equal to 8 for the part C. Now move to part D of exercise number 1.2, question number 6, part D. It tells that log of x to the base b plus log of x minus 4 to the base b is equal to log of 21 to the base b. Here the formula will use log of a power m plus log of n to the base a will be equal to the log of m multiply n to the base a. Using the formula over here, because log of a power m plus log of a power n. So using this formula, log of base is, let's suppose here the base is b and the power will be m and n. So m is x and n is x minus 4. So the power will multiply with each other. After this is equal to log of 21 to the base b. Now on the both side base is log of b and log of b. Bases are same, so the power must be same. So the power are x into x minus 4 on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have power 21. X multiply x gives us x square. X multiply 4 gives us minus 4x. Shift 21 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 21 is equal to 0. Now solve it by using the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4 ac whole divided by 2a. Here the value of a is 1 if we compare it with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So the x square coefficient is a and here is the coefficient is 1. So the value of a is 1. X coefficient is b and here the coefficient is minus 4, so b is minus 4. C, here is the c which is constant and here is minus 21, so c is minus 21. Using these values in the given quadratic equation, solve it for the value of x. So x is equal to minus time of b is minus 4 plus minus under root of b square, which is minus 4 whole square, minus 4 time of a is 1 and c is minus 21 whole divided by 2 time of a is 1. So the value of x will be equal to the 4 plus minus minus 4 square gives us 16 and here is plus 84 whole divided by 2. So 16 plus 84 gives us under root of 100. Under root 100 can be written as under root 10 square cancel out with under root, so we are left with 10. So the value of x is equal to 4 plus minus 10 divided by 2. So the value of x will be equal to the 4 plus 10, 14 by 2 gives us 7. 4 minus 10 minus 6 and minus 6 by 2 gives us minus 3. So the value of x is 7 and minus 3 to the given logarithmic equation. So with this question, exercise number 1.2 is completed. In next video, inshallah, I will solve exercise number 1.3, some question 1 and 2 and 3. Inshallah, the sum of the question, inshallah, I will solve of exercise number 1.3. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about function and limits second year mathematics. Thank you.